At 19:30 Moscow time, September 21st, 2025, deep in Crimea, a private party begins at Putin's luxurious guest house. Russia's elite gather, unaware that 40 miles away, something invisible is slicing through the Black Sea. It's the Magura V5, a Ukrainian drone boat, 16 feet of fiberglass and vengeance. Hidden inside, 6 Osa FPV drones, each no bigger than a shoebox, but carrying a 1.5-pound shaped charge, enough to punch through steel like paper. At 3 miles out, the Magura slows. Its bay doors open and 6 silent shapes slip into the waves. 10 seconds later, the ghost chain begins. A tactic born from Ukraine's military intelligence. The lead drone spits out a cloud of aluminum chaff, creating hundreds of fake radar targets. Behind that shimmering wall, 5 real drones hug the cliffs, invisible and unstoppable. Russian patrols scan the sea. A Spetsnaz soldier spots a heat signature, fires his anti-drone rifle, and drops the decoy. He celebrates, unaware the real swarm just slithered past him. Moments later, chaos erupts. Russian radar lights up like a Christmas tree. The Panzer S-1 air defense battery locks on and fires a $3 million missile straight into empty air. The Ukrainians watch from Odessa and smirk. Go ahead, waste your money. But nature strikes back. A sudden gust throws one drone off balance. Its antenna corroded. Its AI fighting to stay alive. The operator's hands shake as he tries to stabilize it from hundreds of miles away. One mistake, and the mission dies. Then, the Russians deploy their digital hammer, a 5-mile-wide wall of electronic jamming. Every signal goes dark. But the OSAs don't care. Their AI switches to inertial mode, flying blind, guided only by physics. You can jam the sky, but not the laws of motion. 2 drones are shot down by tracer fire, 4 remain. One of them fakes a civilian plane's ID code, tricking the Russians into a fatal hesitation. They freeze, afraid to trigger an international incident. And that pause is all Ukraine needs. At 19:30, the 4 surviving drones break cover and dive through a storm of cannon fire straight toward the banquet hall where Russia's top officers are dining. In the Odessa bunker, the operator whispers, "Fox 3, release the payload." 4 warheads detach and plunge. The first hits the glass roof with 700 foot-pounds of force, vaporizing it in an instant. In the dim light of the bunker, the operator watches satellite footage and smiles faintly. The biggest wolf can be brought down by the smallest arrow, if the aim is true.